The stars were out, the lights were low. It was bedtime now. Time to slow. Samir's Teddy sat soft and round, with button eyes and paws so brown. Aayan blinked and rubbed his head. Did that Teddy just talk in bed? The Teddy wiggled and gave a wink. I help with dreams, or so I think. Be kind all day and hug with care that makes your heart light as air. Put away your toys each night. It keeps your room happy and bright. Don't rush, said Teddy. Say goodnight slow, with hugs and love before you go. Samir nodded. I hugged Aayan today. And I cleaned my toys, Aayan said. Hooray! Minal smiled from Mama's arms. Even she liked Teddy's charms. Teddy whispered, Close your eyes, imagine clouds and rainbow skies. Soft little stars twinkle in the sky, time to sleep, no need to cry. Mama dimmed the room just right, Papa Daddy kissed them, good night, good night. Teddy lay back with a sleepy sigh. Sweet dreams, boys, now close each eye.